Guys, I don't know if I still have the footage where this one was. Maybe we can show you. The blower motor was just barely turning. Let's see if we can turn it. There it goes. So we're going to replace that. All right, we're gonna have to clean it out. It looks terrible. But let's go ahead and get started on it. Oh, it did move. I felt it. I almost can't reach down in there. How about that? That's a real nice light. Now let's see about what. All right, half horsepower, 4.1 amps. All right, this has half horsepower. It's going to be 4 amps at 208, 230, 3.8, 3/4. All right, where's my amps? Amp 6.0. I think I'm gonna go with a half horse. It's not gonna get up to 3.8 all that often. These before, this has a little plug in it. This is the Rescue Easy 13. If you're going 115 volts, you put the plug in here, right there. If not, it's 230. We got 230 volt. So let's get it mounted up. All right, we're not putting it on the high. As y'all see, I'm gonna have to replace that. Let's just see if the fan's gonna come on and run like it's supposed to. All right, it's running the other way. No, actually it's running the right way now. It's gonna turn around and go the other way. I think it's just checking amp draw and torque, and then see, now it's going backwards. It's going to figure out that's the wrong way by itself and turn around and then ramp up. I only have it on speed 3. There it goes. What did we say? 3.8 amps. Alright, let me make sure my wireless is turned on. There we go. I'm at 1.76. All right, come on. .92 right there. .27. That ain't bad. So we did right by going with the half horsepower. We could actually bump up that speed a little bit. That one got bent.
Hello?
Yes. I'm going to replace these with a 4-way. Let me make sure that's the right one. It's a 4-pole sequencer. I'm going to use M1 and 2 as my fan. Of course, we could do it with a 3. I just don't happen to have a 3, I don't think. As you see, yellow is going to be my common, excuse me, yellow and orange are what energize my valve. And these right here can just come off. All right, these are for the fan to help make sure it brings on low voltage when just the heat strips are energized, or just when W is energized. All right, let's get a sequencer mounted. As you see, there's some of these wires I'm gonna have to replace. Let me see, do I have any with a point? Alright, I'll put me a screw in that in a minute. Right now we're going to hook up our low voltage. Easier said than done. All right, I'm gonna disconnect it. Unmount it, hook this up, and then mount it. As you can see, there are jumpers to the other side. All right, M1 and M2 are on top. So that's going to be M1 and M2 are the first ones to energize. Forgive me if y'all can't see that. I'm trying. So that brings on the fan. Let me see, that one's still in good shape, so we're going to use it for M3. And that one's in good shape. Alright, I'm going to clean up those terminals before I start plugging this up. They got rust all over them. Let me get this mounted and we'll wire it up. Alright, that other one's going to be a little bit more difficult if I don't move this. Alright, that's about as clean as I'm going to get them. the other one you see here is boinked. So I need a red wire. I don't know if I need another black. All right, that's one. Can we use this? Is it too old? Still got some oxidation down in there. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put this one on this top, this M5 and 6. All right, I just need to replace this. Oh, the old bucket of wires. I don't think none of that's big enough. That right there's 14 gauge. Nope. I'm gonna go with something a little bit bigger. Here we go. Number 10. Something I wanted to mention, if cleaning this up does not work and you're still burning out endings, use a term lock on these and that will work. All right, now let's see how we do. Oh. All right. Oops. I can hear the blower running. All right, there goes one heat strip. We're waiting on 5 and 6 to close over here. There it goes. Now she has all her heat. I may have just smoked up her house because one of those hadn't run in a while. Anyway, now she has heat. I'm gonna kill power and try to secure this a little bit better. Zip screw. All right. I can't get in right now, but I think we're good. She said it was heating fine before the blower stopped, so I'm just gonna clean this stuff up right here. And I'm gonna be done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't be too critical of me for not putting in fuses right there. I did mention it to them, but it does have a 60-amp breaker not 7 feet away. So I thought it was safe. Didn't think it was a big deal, but I already know some of y'all are gonna say something. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.